feels like we're in an airplane.
Going through some turbulence.
It's only a matter of time where some tree or some large object just blows right in front of your car.
When lines are down, don't you hang around. When lines are down, don't hang around.
Power lines got ripped out. Petunia's first vacation from the house. All the power went out, so we gotta stay somewhere. Oh, this is nice. We're at the Holiday Inn Express.
Chilling at the Holiday Inn. Greetings from Rochester, New York. Apparently it's the Windy City today, where we had max wind gusts of 81 miles an hour at our airport. We had a lot of power outages here. There's about 150,000 people without electricity. It's unfortunate. There's states of emergency all over New York State.
She's so thirsty. Lights are out. I have to go around. I just feel sorry for the people that had trees fall on their houses. She is stressed out, and so am I actually a little bit. Daddy had to go get the rest of the stuff out of the car. He's coming back, baby. He's coming back. She's got gas back. She's constipated. Ready? You want to go home? She can't wait. Goodbye, room.
No. Your last time in an elevator for a while?